Holly McKhann at the hottest new duplex listing in San Clemente on Avenida Rosa, just 3 blocks from downtown. You can see the ocean from your balcony and the incredible rooftop decks. You even have hot tubs on those rooftop decks. Let's go inside and take a look at all the details. From the living area, you enjoy an ocean view, and the contractor did so many thoughtful items in his design. You've got very tall ceilings, plenty of recessed light, lots of windows that let in the natural light, an electric fireplace, and a special mounting for the TV. The living room opens onto this cute little balcony, perfect for 2 people and maybe more to sit and enjoy a cocktail, a glass of wine, or some morning coffee. A couple of my favorite features in this kitchen are this 6-burner stove. You can really cook for a large group, and the white artisan tile subway backsplash. Have you ever seen a fridge this tall? The secondary bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom, so they both have access to it directly. They've also got really tall ceilings, recessed lights, and gorgeous windows with lots of natural light. This shared bathroom between the 2 secondary bedrooms is gorgeous. It's got the subway artisan tile, just like in the kitchen, but it changes to blue in the shower and goes all the way to the ceiling. Truly a high-end finish. The primary suite features a large walk-in closet with organizer already built in, and it flows right into the bathroom. You've got a large dual vanity, 2 light-up medicine cabinets with so much storage in them, a huge walk-in shower, and a freestanding tub that you can see the ocean from. This property has the look of a quintessential San Clemente historic property with the Santa Barbara finish in the nice creamy white color and the red tile roof, what San Clemente is known for. Once you come up to this rooftop deck, you will be wowed. There is a large jacuzzi that, depending on how big they are, maybe 8 people can fit inside, and you have a spectacular ocean view. Plenty of room for a barbecue, eating table, or just relaxing. Here in this second unit, there are some similarities, but you'll see the design palette is a little bit different, just for interest's sake. We've still got the subway artisan tile backsplash, but it's in shades of gray now instead of the white. We also have yet again a 7-foot tall, huge refrigerator and freezer setup, along with the other high-end upgraded appliances. Another difference in this unit is the wide opening door. You have a much larger patio here, and they've got it staged with a full dining set. And you can even see the ocean from this patio, as well as feeling the cool ocean breezes. The secondary bedrooms share a bathroom that goes between them, and they both have large ceilings with recessed lights and generous-sized closets. The shared bathroom has thoughtfully placed light-up medicine cabinets with lots of space inside them, and you have a seamless walk-in shower with gorgeous tile and a dual vanity. This special property, a duplex, is so unique. You've got the opportunity to live in one, rent out the other, keep it for a vacation property, or keep them both as rentals. You're just a 5-minute walk away from Avenida Del Mar with the bustling downtown of San Clemente, and a 13-minute walk down to the pier if you'd like to take a stroll down to the beach. Make sure you contact me today for your private tour.